वाहेगुरु 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 जी का खालसा वाहेगुरु जी की फतेह। दोए दीवे 14 हट नाले, जेते जी तेते वणजारे, खुले हट हुआ व्यापार, जो पहुंचे सो चलन हार, धर्म दलाल पाए निशान, नानक नाम लाहा परवान। कर आए वजी वदाई, सच नाम की मिली वडियाई। दोए दीवे, there are 2 lamps and there are 14 different spiritual realms there. Now remember always, Maharaj has talked about khands in Japji Sahib. The first khand which Maharaj talks about is Taram Khand. Taram Khand is the khand where this physical body, when we leave this physical body, everybody has to go to Taram Khand. And Maharaj has given the nishani, and all these things are within us, within our subtle body. सारा कुछ इत्थे मौजूद है, जिन्हों ਅਸੀਂ कहने आ जो बरमंडे सोई पिंडे, जो खोजे सो पाए. Everything, whatever is there in the universe, in the subtle universe, in the realms, it is actually within our body, in our subtle body, sukham body. Always remember, nothing is there in the physical body. Physical body is for physical world. ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਹ ਸਰੀਰ ਹੈ ਨਾ, ਸਾਨੂੰ ਚੰਮ ਦਾ ਚੰਮ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਮਹਾਰਾਜ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਬਿਸ਼ਟਾ ਅਸਤ ਰਕਤ ਪੇਟੇ ਚਾਮ, this is for the physical world. ਇਹ ਸਰੀਰ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਹੈ. And Guru Gobind Singh Ji Maharaj, Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj also told us how to live in this physical world. You know, there was a question which was asked to me. You always say, oh, we are not this physical body, but then how come we have to keep the hair and all? Very wrong question. First of all, remember this thing: physical world, physical body, there are rules associated, there is a discipline associated with the physical body. If we will not keep that discipline, we'll have a problems. It doesn't mean that there is no significance of a physical body. There's a lot of significance. Actually, whole significance is about the physical body. Only with this physical body we can meet Vaheguru. Without this physical body we cannot meet Vaheguru. मिल ही नहीं सकते. सुरनर मुंजन अमृत खोजदे, सो अमृत गुरते पाया, पाया अमृत गुर कृपा कीनी, सच्चा मनोसाया. Even the angels are also searching for this physical body. कहते सानू भी मौका मिल जावे. We should also get a chance so that we can fulfill the purpose of our life. Otherwise ਭਟਕਦੇ ਰਵਾਂਗੇ, ਭਰਮਾਂ ਚ ਰਵਾਂਗੇ. So we have to follow the discipline of the physical body, then only we can meet Vaheguru. Maharaj here is telling us, and this is a very detailed, it might take time, maybe we'll be able to do just one body today. We'll see where it takes us, where Vaheguruji takes us. Because we all are here learning from Satguru Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj, Gurbani Guru. Gurbani Guru is our teacher, not a physical being. Physical beings are not our teacher. Gurbani is our teacher. The wisdom is directly from Gurbani. श्लोक 4 कुंट 14 पवन सगल व्यापत राम. 4 directions, 4 sides, you can call it. Directions can be 10 also. north, south, south, north, south, east, west are the four, right? Where there can be north, south, northeast, northwest. There can be 10 directions in total. Maharaj is saying char kunt. And then you go in any direction, you go north, you go south, you go east, you go west. Physically, you will find Vaheguru. Vaheguru is everywhere. Now, next words are very important, and that's why we read this Shabad before. Doe dive 14 hat nale. Maharaj also, Guru Nanak Dev Ji also has told us that there are two dive. If you have to find the Nishani, there are two lamps. There are lamp which is left and right hand side of our physical body. But actually, if you go inside, there are lamps. There is a jyot out there. Left hand side is called Ida. Right hand side is called Pingla. Left hand side is called moon. Right hand side is called sun. And there are 14 pavans, 14 lamps or 14 things which are there, realms which are there in this whole Sukham body, in this subtle body. 7 are more important for us. We don't want to go below 7. There are 7 below, lower Patal Loks. The upper 7 Lokas, the 7 realms, the cosmic realms, are more important for us than the 7 lower ones. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਵਾਲੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਉੱਤੇ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਣਾ ਪਤਾਲ ਲੋਕ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ. Why? Because if we get in the 7 lokas which are below, that's a hell. That is, if we have done so much tamoguni stuff in our life, lust, greed, anger, attachment, ego, or the people who get involved, unfortunately, with, murders or killings and all the bad things you can think of, rapes and all, they will end up in the Patal Lok. We don't want to go there. We want to concentrate on the 7 lokas which are there above. High level, these 7 lokas, if you will think about it, there is a description of the higher worlds. Pumlok is the first one. Pumlok still comes, it's in the middle, but it is still considered as upper lok, because nobody can come to the Pumlok, to this world, this physical world, until or unless we have done some good karams, especially as a human body. Even the animals can come here, but their karams are lesser. That's why they got a other body. But then there are some entities, some insects and all, some which are underneath. That's very difficult actually. Under the water, under the sea. There are so many Junes. Gurbani says there are half of the 84 ਲੱਖ Junes. ਅੱਧੀਆਂ ਜਿਹੜੀਆਂ 84 ਲੱਖ ਜੂਨਾਂ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਗੁਰੂ ਪਿਆਰਿਓ, ਉਹ ਪਾਣੀ ਦੇ ਥੱਲੇ ਹੈ, ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ, ਜਿਹਨਾਂ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ. We know high level fishes are there and some other organisms are there, but we don't know all the organisms. And what are they done? People eat seafood and all, right? ਬਹੁਤ ਮਾੜਾ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਥੱਲੇ, ਹੋਰ ਮਾੜਾ ਹਾਲ. So we want to focus on the 7 upper lokas. Pumlok is the first one. Pumlok is as in this world, physical world. Then, if you think about a physical body, let's think about our physical body. From Nabhi till the middle of our eyes, do dive di Maharaj ne gal kiti si na, two diva, do dive, two dive. Moon, left eye is the moon, right eye is the sun. In between that, do sire keh lo, hai na, do sire hai. One sira is in the nabhi, in the navel area, and the second one is in between the forehead. There are 7 those, 6 loks there, and the one is on the top of there. Sat lok jinu keh denne ha, jahan aap Sachkhand keh denne ha. Sat lok or Sachkhand, one and the same. In between that area, between the navel and the forehead, it is called Taran. Ki kehte ho no? Taval. Taval kehte, Taran kehte. That area is called Taran or Taval. That is in between. Now, when we leave our physical body, because everybody, Maharaj kehte Taram Khand ka, eho Taram, Gyan Khand ka, aapko karam. Before even we go to the Gyan Khand, we are in between. Onu Taval kehte. That Taval Taran is also called Swarlok. that is the place where you will meet some angels which are there. They have assigned duties. For example, the duty is to bring the soul back to where it belongs. Dharamraj de agge leke jana ਉਹਨੂੰ, right? Dharamkhand is, because everybody who is in the Dharamkhand has to go to the Dharamraj first for the decision making and all. To bring them, these Devi Devtas or the angels from the Swarlok, they have a duty to take them there. Now, above the Swarlok, then the Swarlok, you can call it a Devlok. Devlok starts. There is a Maharlok, Janalok, Tapalok. All these are the different sides of the Devlok. Now, depending upon your avastha, how much Simran you have done, how close you were with Vaiguru and all, what karams did you do? That's why Maharaj has sent Gyan Khand, Dharam Khand to baad Gyan Khand, na? The last lok is Sach Khand, but in between it is all the Devlok. And Gurbani has talked about the Devlok so many times. Devlok ke nishani, jahan baje anhad bani. And what is the sign that you are in the Devlok? You will hear the Anhat Shabad, Anhat Bani. That means your surti, your focus, your mind has gone to the Devlok. Maharaj is saying it does not matter where you end up. The Jyot of Vaiguruji is operating everywhere, even in the lower 7 worlds, even in the Patal Loks. Malak sari dhama the. Slok 4 कुंट 14 पवन सगल व्यापत Ram. Ram उत्थे भी है. Why Vaiguruji is there everywhere? Why? Because Vaiguruji wants to take care of all his beings, no matter what. Even if the being has done worst to worst sin, माड़े तो माड़े कर्म कीते किसे ने, महाराज ਉਹਦਾ भी ध्यान रखते. And it is up to Maharaj if they want to take them out of those 7 loks and bring them in the upper loks. जैसे they duty ला देंगे. Maharaj will give a duty to some angel to tell them to bring them from the lower loks also. नानक ऊन ना देखिए पूर्णता के राम, कहते किते घटदा नहीं सौदा कोई. Maharaj is perfect. The things which he has done are perfect. These 7 loks below, 7 loks up, they are all perfect. पूर्णता के राम, his कृपा, हाँ जी भाई, पूर्णता के काम. His work is 100% complete, perfect, because Vaiguruji is pura. His work is perfect. Whatever his work is, it is being done in the lower 7 loks or the upper 7 loks. It is perfect. That's why we have to remember him all the time. 4 कुंट 14 पवन सगल व्यापत राम, नानक ऊन ना देखिए पूर्णता के काम. Pauri, 14th day. Maharaj is talking about 14th day. 14 pavan. 14 4 कुंट प्रभ आप. Pauri. This is again we are still in the part Thithi part with the 14th day of the lunar. 14 4 कुंट प्रभ आप. He is there in the 14 realms and in all the 4 directions. Sagal pavan puran partap. His glory, his kirpa is everywhere. His perfection is everywhere. He is even helping the beings in the Patal Lok. देखो आप जिथे भी जाना ना, wherever we go, we need a place to live. We need food to eat. We need something. Maharaj will give us everything. When we leave our physical body, then we realize, how come we don't even have a body? How come we were behind the food and the money सारी उम्र ही ਅਸੀਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਦੇ ਮਗਰ ਰਹੇ। All the time we were just thinking of earning more and more money, and we thought, I am doing it. I thought this property belongs to me. I thought this business belonged to me. I thought the money belonged to me. ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨਾ, ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਤੇ ਕੁਝ ਹੈ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ is taking care of me even without the body also, without the physical body also. I don't know how many of you have listened, heard this. It's a common, beliefs in the mythology. I will call it a mythology, that ghosts, they live on the bargat tree. ਕਿਹੜਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਬਰਗਦ ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ? ਨਹੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇੰਗਲਿਸ਼ ਚ ਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ? whatever ਬੋੜ ਦਾ ਪੇੜ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ, ਦਰਖਤ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ, but whatever, there are different trees, they think the ghosts are living there. We don't know whether it's a myth. But the thing is, Vaheguru Ji is taking care of us in every realm. ਆਸਣ ਲੋਏ ਲੋਏ ਭੰਡਾਰ ਜੋ ਕਿਛ ਪਾਇਆ ਸੋ ਏਕਾ ਵਾਰ ਕਰ ਕਰ ਵੇਖੇ ਸਿਰਜਣਹਾਰ. He has given the food and shelter for every being. Now, why we went to the 7 lower loks? It's not because Vaheguru Ji wanted us to be there. Because we did karams, because there is a justice out there. Now, here in this world, especially in a third world country, if you do something bad, you can bribe the cops. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਿਸ਼ਵਤ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜੱਜ ਨੂੰ, ਪੁਲਿਸ ਨੂੰ, ਐਂਡ ਕੀ ਕਰੋਗੇ? ਉਹ ਕਹਿਣਗੇ ਅੱਛਾ ਕੋਈ ਨਹੀਂ, ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਜੇਲ੍ਹ ਚੋਂ ਕੱਢ ਦਿੰਨੇ ਆ, we will take you out from the jail, we can help you out. But there is no bribe. Nothing is there in that world. Maharaj will treat everybody equally based on our karams, based on our actions with this physical body. That's why physical body is very important. Based on the actions with this physical body, whatever we do, we will end up in that realm. Now it is up to us how much bhakti we do, how whether we go up there in the upper 7 worlds or not. But Maharaj Pratap, Maharaj glory is there in every pavan. 14 4 kunt prab aap, he is there. Sagal pavan puran pratap, his glory is in all the pavans. Dase disha ravya prab ek, he is the only one. In 10 directions you go, he is there. He's the only one. Ekko hi hai, ekko hai ji, ekko hai sahib mera, ekko hai. He is there. Only one Vaheguru. Taran, that same place which I was telling you before. Taran is the place from your navel till the middle of your forehead. Then on Taran kende, Taran. Taval vi kende, Taran vi kende. Dase disha ravya prab ek, Taran akash. Akash is that above your forehead. The akash starts. Actually, we have 5 tats in our body. Air is there, water is there, fire is there, earth is there, and the 5th one is the sky or Akash Tat. Akash Tat is very, very important. It is on top of your head. Akash Tat is where all your records are kept. Whatever karams which we do, they get stored there in every birth. It's like a file system. When you in India, in the previous world, now everything is digital. If you want to go somewhere and you want to find your records, what 15 years before records, 20 years back record for buying a property, whether that property belonged to you or somebody else, you have to go to the Tahsildar, or you have to go somewhere and make sure that your record is there, your file is there, so that they can give you the registration and all the information. Similarly, in the Akash Lok, the Akashic angels, the Pariya, these angels have a duty. Chitragupt notes down every action of ours, and the record is kept in the Akash Lok. So if somebody wants to see their previous lives, they can still see it. And I'm not saying this, Guru Nanak Dev Ji is saying that. Maharaj says, Sun Galla Akash ki. But you have to go above the Taran. Your spiritual level has to be very good. Taran Akash Sab mein Prab Pek. Kende that Akash Lok is also under Vaheguru. Where we have to go, Man Chadya Dasveं Akash, the 10th Akash, which is also called Sachkhand or Satlok. That 14th lok which is there, that's where our Surt has to go. That is where Vaiguruji himself is sitting. When we go there, we have to be merged in one Vaiguru. Then we don't have to come back in this world again. But Maharaj is saying, Maharaj is giving us this wisdom. Maharaj sanu ki gyan de rahe, दस्से दिशा रवया प्रभ एक तरन आकाश सब में प्रभ पेक. कहते you go anywhere, Vaheguru is there. You go in jal, water, under the water. You go in the thal, jal, thal, ban, parbat, patal. In the land, thal, ban is the forest, parbat is the mountain, patal is again under the water, under the sea, under the ground, 7 loks. Everywhere Vaheguruji is there, his glory is there. Taran Akash Sab mein Prabh Pek. Now only person who can pek there is whose Surti is there. Our Surti should be so strong with Vaheguruji's Kirpa, with the grace and blessing, we can go anywhere. Edda nahi turi jana. You know, people are fascinated with the out of body experience and all that stuff. Edda nahi jana. Sada teacha ikko hi hai. We have only one destination. Our destination is that we have to go to the 10th Akash. But sometimes what happens is when we do the Simran, I think yesterday we discussed, right? Like, let's go with the line which yesterday we discussed. Very important. Nani neend supan bradayo. Har bisrat hovat e hal sharan nanak prabh purakh dayal. महाराज ने सानू कल की दसिया सीगा. महाराज ने सानू कल की दसिया सीगा. नैनी नींद सुपन ब्रडायो. कहंदे if you are sleeping and you are seeing the dreams, and if you have forgotten Vaheguru, because all day dine bikar karat sram payo, all the day you were doing vices, you were under the influence of vices, as in काम, क्रोध, लोभ, मोह, अहंकार, ईर्खा, द्वैत, निंदा, चुगली. If you were in tamogun, then when you will sleep in the supna, in the dream, you will be under the influence of these 5 thieves. मुंह चो कुछ बक बक करोगे राती, कुछ बोलोगे. कहते why you do that? Because whole day you forgot Vaheguru. हर बिसरत होवत ए हाल. कहते that's why तेरा ये हाल हो गया. शरण नानक प्रभ पुरख दयाल. कहते come in the sharan, come in the sanctuary of Vaheguru. तेरा फिर ये हाल नहीं होएगा. Then you will not be in this position. Now why I'm discussing this now? Because if you are in the Akash lok, let's say, Jal, Thal, Ban, Parbat, Patal, Taran, Akash, Sab mein Prabh Pek. कहते देख सारियां दे विच वाहिगुरु है. You can only see Vaheguru everywhere if you will remember Vaheguru whole day. फिर तुसी सुपना जिहड़ा आएगा ना, then the dream which you will see, the dream will be a different. Maharaj in the Gurbani says this thing, that supna, there are different kinds of dreams. जागण ते सुपना भला बसिए प्रभ के संग. That is also the supna, that's also the dream when we have to meet Vaheguru. That also will happen in dream, in the sun. Remember, there are 4 different kinds of sun. Antar sunnan, bahar sunnan, त्रिभुवन सुन मसुन. चौथी सुन को जो नर जाने ताको पाप ना पुन. We have to go to the चौथी सुन. In the first sun, when we sleep, we are mostly under the vices. Only on after the second sun, third sun, when you start hearing the Shabad, you know, the Shabad which we hear. So the discussion will go along, as I told you before. But what we have to practice ourselves is Saas Gras Simran, Saas Antargat Simran. When we go to the Antargat Simran, when our mind goes in peace, in Sahaj, that's the time when you hear the Shabad. When you will hear the Shabad, then you will go to the Tiji Sun, third Sun. Then with what you will see, what you will meet, who you will be totally different. Because that's a Jot there. Vaheguru's Jot there. Before the Tiji Sun, you might even see angels, Pariyan, some Gurmukhs also. It's still below. Because remember, the 14 lokas which we talk about, there is a Taval there is a Taran there. Taran Akash Sab Mein Prabh Pek. Your target should be that you only have to see the Jot of Vaheguru. Don't get stuck with other things. Because Akash Lok has all your previous births. So what happens is when Gurmukhs do the Simran, Wah Guru, when they go to the Sun, in the dreams, they will start seeing their previous births. Very common. You might not know which birth it was. It might be a physical human being birth. You might be an animal in that birth, or insect in there. It can be anything. But everything is stored there because now your surti, your focus has gone above the navel and it is in between, maybe on the third chakra. There are 6 chakras, right? On the third chakra, after the third chakra, you will start seeing all these things. Tije chakra to baad. Meaning your surti will start going in the Dev Lok. You'll start seeing all these things. But Maharaj says you go anywhere, physically or in a Sukham Roop, in a subtle roop. Remember, Vaheguruji is present everywhere. Jal, Thal, Ban, Parbat, Patal, Parmeshwar, Teh Basai, Dayal. अगर सानू याद रह गया ना गुरु प्यारे परमेश्वर परमेश्वर दिता बन्ना दुख रोग दा डेरा पन्ना. Even by mistake, if we go in the place, sometimes happens in the physical life, you go somewhere, you say, oh, I should not have been here. A galt hai tha. There's a bad place. I don't want to be here. Why I am here? But Parmeshwar is there. Vaheguru is there. He will help you. You just have to remember Vaheguru all the time. And that Shri Sahib which has been given to us, the Kirpan which has given to us, Shastar which has given to us, physically they are of importance, high importance. फिर ਉਹਨੂੰ याद करके ਉਹਨੂੰ, that's why we call that weapon a Kirpan, a Shri Sahib. That is also given by Vaheguru. That Chandi has also given to us by Vaheguru. ਉਹਦਾ ਵੀ use ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ. जल थल बन पर्वत पाताल परमेश्वर तै बसै दयाल. He will do the compassionate Vaheguru is there. He will do a kirpa on us anywhere we go. He is in the form of Sukham, in a stool. Sukham, a stool, Sagal Bhagavan. Sukham is subtle, a stool is physical. Now, somebody will say, you just said that physical being is Vaheguru is not physical being. Vaheguru is not a physical being, but Vaheguru is inside the physical beings. Sargun Nirgun Nirankar Sun Samadhi Aap Apan Kiya Nanaka Ape Hi Fir Jap. He is there in Sargun Swarup, in Nirgun Swarup. Nanak Gurmukh Brahma Pachan. Kende Pachan. उस सब था थे. Gurmukhs, please recognize Brahm. Brahm has conquered means one Vaheguru. Pachan, recognize. And how to recognize Brahm? Nanak Gurmukh aap pachane prabh jaise vinasi. Jeda apne aap nu pachan lega na, the one who will recognize themselves, who he is. When we will recognize ourselves, who we are, then we will recognize Brahm also. If we'll keep on thinking of physical, if we'll be touched, we will be connected with the physical needs, the physical world, then we'll not be able to recognize ourselves. You have to understand this physical body has been given to us so that we can use this physical. When you get a car, right? When you drive a car, now why you drive a car, or why you ride on a plane, why you take a flight? Because you want to go from one place to another place. This purpose of physical body is it has to take us from one place to another place, and that place is Vaheguru. Only with the physical body we can jump. With the Sukham body we cannot even jump also. Can they peshan? That's why you still have to follow the rules of the physical body, but remember always that your mind has to travel from the Taval to the Akash, and from Akash to the Daswaं Akash. Gurmukh Man Chadya Daswe Akash. Mind has to go to the 10th Akash, which is the Dasam Dua, after the 9 doors. Aao ji Gurmukh Pyare, will go next tomorrow, ahead tomorrow. Aao pehla aapa japiye. Very important Sasgra Simran. Wah, tummy in, listen to your voice. Guru, tummy out, listen to your voice. आओ जी शुरू करिए. वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु, वाह गुरु. सेवा कर लो गुरु प्यारे हो. वाह गुरु, 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 वाह. हाँ जी गुरु प्यारे हो. गुरु, वाह गुरु. सेवा कर लो जी गुरु प्यारे हो.
वाह गुरु, 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 गुरु, वाह 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 Guru, Wah, 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 Wah, Guru, 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 Guru, Wah, 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 Wah, Guru, 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 Guru, Wah, 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 Guru, ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ 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 वाहिगुरु। अंतर्गत हो जाइए जी। मन ही बोले, मन ही सुने। हमें अवगुण भरे एक गुण नाही। अमृत छाड़ बिखै बिख खाई। माया मोह परम पै फूले। सुत दारा स्यों प्रीत लगाई। एक उत्तम गुणियों सुनियो गुर संगत। तह मिलंत जम त्रास मिटाई। एक अरदास पाठ कीरत की। गुरु रामदास राखो सरनाई। एक अरदास पाठ कीरत की। गुरु रामदास राखो सरनाई। भुल्लां चुकां माफ वाहिगुरू जी। सही प्यारे में तेरा नाम चिते आवे। नानक नाम चढ़ती कला तेरे सरबत दा भला। वाहिगुरू जी का खालसा।